Hi guys, and welcome in this welcome started for use my tools. My tools is Voronoi Fracture, and there is two versions. One is the Lite version, and one is the complete version. The limitation of the Lite version it's more, but you can use it for free if you want. And in the complete version, I created for Houdini. These tools, it's for Houdini. It's more interesting tools. I can use that, I think. However, how to install that? You can go to Asset, and when you download, you can find in the folder the Lite OTL or the complete. You can just go to Asset, Install Asset Library. You can choose the folder where you have your tools in OTL. Usually it's in the home folder, and here you can find, for example, the Lite version. I want to show you the Lite version and install. You don't see nothing because you should create the geometry, so object level, and inside the network you can create, for example, the cube or the sphere or the pig head. Maybe with pig head we can see more kind of system. Yeah, okay, it's created. And here you can just press tab and create MM. You can find your M volume fracture 0.1. You can connect it. You can see with connect it's apply my effects on my geometry immediately.